I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay. I'll be right back. Lord willing. All praise to how up I shimmer my shit. Let's go ahead. Yes, sir. So yeah, I want to test this GoPro out. And the reason being is because I want to do it at 4K cinematic. I just want to see how much better it is, because I'm really considering the DJI Action 4 for the GoPro 12. Consider one of those, and I just want to see, man, like, is the quality that I want, is it enough? Now I like how it looks on the Insta360. I like how it looks on the Insta360. I mean, I'm sorry, I like how it looks on the when I'm riding on my Riker with the GoPro. I really like how it looks. So I want to see how it looks when I'm on the Harley. Just want to see how it looks. See if, you know, I'm still gonna rock the GoPro 8 for a little bit. Because I really don't want to upgrade, because I don't want to really pay any money. But, you know, if it gives me that quality that I like. What I've been seeing is, I think I like the hyper view. Oh man, these bumps are shitty on this bike. So much better on the Riker. So much better on the Riker. I'm gonna go around this corner. Work on my turns. I'll put it in neutral by accident on that one. Let's take this thing. Yeah, man, I got it running pretty good now. I'm really happy with how good I got it running. Got the Daymaker on there now. I call it the Daymaker, but the new light, 40 bucks, man, 40 bucks. Way better than the stock. I might have to lift it up a little bit. Looks like it might be a little low. Won't be able to tell until it gets darker. But one thing that I do like, got the custom covers on there. I'm gonna have to try to re-clean this thing again. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna try to re-clean it again. And but everything looks like it's going pretty good. Had to put a little extra Velcro tie on that to make sure it stays on. As you can see, the little clip comes off, but this side stays on. This is my battery tender that I keep. This thing stays on the tender now because I'm not paying for another battery. Man, look at that hop on that tire, man. This thing is rumbling. The other day I noticed that I was riding without the freaking filter in. I was like, man, this sounds extra throaty. I don't know what's going on. Then I looked at it and I was like, that's not supposed to be hollow. And then the pipe, I was a little unsure about the pipe. But you know what? Now that I've heard it some more, to me it's not so loud. So I'm digging it. All right, let's get back home. I'm gonna have to do something with these mirrors. I have to do something with these mirrors. Might have to get some other ones, or I'm gonna have to like put them back on top. And I don't really want to put them back on top. Take it easy. These roads are shitty. I don't think there's a straight road in San Antonio, man, unless you're on the highway. So there's nothing like being on a Harley though, man. Nothing like being on a Harley. The Riker doesn't feel like this. The Riker's fun, but it doesn't feel like this. So working my turns. I definitely got to get another seat though. I did try to fit an after my rear view bicycle mirror on here, and it seemed like it worked, so I'm gonna have to just figure out if I can get it mounted, and I'm probably gonna get rid of these, put my monitors here, and that way I still can see behind me from my cameras.